Hey Conquerors, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on yet another Conquering Asia YouTube video. I'm getting a lot of requests about doing yet another wig video, and here I am today back with just that. I've been sent the wig that you saw in my thumbnail, this bright red wig. Hold on, let me grab her for you. I got this wig in the mail last week from a company called Callus. I'm hoping it's not Callus. This is the packaging. It came in very sleek, very nice, just slick and black. She is a 26-inch layered up Synthetica lace front wig. Yes, she's cute, she's thick. So today I'll be taking her from this long, luxurious, layered out length to a nice wavy long bob with some baby hairs popping, because you know I like my baby hairs. So before I get started on giving you guys a little bit of background on sis right here, make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe to the Conquering Asia YouTube channel if you haven't already. We are a family here. You're already a conqueror, you might as well join the family, right? Click that like button before you go and make sure that you're in tune and up to date with everything that I post here on my Conquering Asia YouTube channel. Like I said, she is a nice Jessica Rabbit color. She's 26 inches long. They've already got some layers cut into her. She looks very pretty with the layers cut in already. And I know what you guys are probably going to say. You don't have the wig on.
No, let's go. It's not working.
I wanted to show you what the wig looked like before I altered it and messed with it, just so you could see what it's like once you get it fresh out the package and in its natural state. Obviously, I'm going to put it on for you when the time hits right here. You will see how it looks on me without all the alterations, and then you will also see how it looks after I do my little thing to it. The lace does not come pre-plucked, as you can see. It's just a pretty thick hairline, so I'm gonna have to do a good amount of plucking to minimize the size of all of this. The only downside I'm seeing about this wig, which honestly it's not that much of a downside because it's a synthetic wig, so you know, can't have your expectations extremely high with synthetic wigs. You know, it's not a virgin hair wig, so you can't expect for it to look like and act like that at all times. However, this is an extremely great synthetic wig. It's full, it's thick, it's not extremely shiny, which I love because I hate when I have extremely shiny wigs. And even if your wig comes too shiny, you can always spray it with dry hairspray or something, or with dry shampoo spray. Unfortunately, you do not get any parting space. I mean, you get like, what is this, a half an inch or maybe a few centimeters of parting space in the front where the lace is. You obviously have to, like, you know, just have the toss look to the side or the straight brush back look, you know, whatever suits you best. This wig also comes with two combs in the front. There's one right there, there's one right there, close to the temples, or if not on the temple area. It has lace in the crown space, and then it has like the breathable kind of stitching towards the back and towards the nape of the neck of the wig. Also in the nape of the neck of the wig, there's another third comb, and then you have your two adjustable straps. I cannot stand when I get a wig or order a wig or just find a wig and there's no adjustable straps. I have an extremely small head, okay? I need the straps, you know? I'm not trying to have my wig doing this on my head every time I rotate my head to look at something. So a great thing about the wig is that it comes in this black packaging. It's very sleek, very attractive looking. It's very simple. And it also has like a see-through box in the back of the packaging to which you can see and look at the color of the wig before you even open it out the package. Obviously, you've already purchased it once you have it in your hands in this package, so this probably really won't even matter to some of you, but it's definitely a benefit in my opinion. It just allows you to see what you're looking at all times. If you're interested in finding Callus wigs or checking out to see whatever kind of wigs they have in their collection, I will link right here and also in the description box their website and their Amazon store, so you can easily access these wigs and the wig that I have here today. Now that you guys have a little bit of overview about the wig and a little bit of information, let's get to playing. Your sis is right here, looking red as ever. This layer still intact. Hairline has been plucked by yours truly. I didn't go ham, I just thinned them out, you know what I'm saying? Because they were a bit, hold on, let me do it like this. They were a bit harsh. This wig cap also came in the packaging with the wig. So it has two wig caps in one pack, and you get this when you buy the wig. Oh, by the way, my shirt is a Streetly HRC original, you know what I'm saying? It's a long sleeve. This is for the fall winter release that will be coming up, and this is the black, the back, the black. Wig cap is on. Okay, so something I'm noticing already, y'all. I'm noticing there is not a lot of shedding, which is good. I got a lot of shedding, obviously, when I was plucking the hairline, tweezing the hairline, but that's normal because you're literally pulling out hairs. There's not much shedding and is tangling. This is without me readjusting the adjustment straps. It is a bit of a smaller wig. It's not, Jesus. It's not too loose, which is a big problem I normally have with my wigs, is that they're extremely loose. I often have to resize them because we all here on the Conquering Asia channel know that I have a peanut head. Okay. Lace is super soft. It's long, it's super soft. Okay, I'm folding it up because I'm trying to see. This is where we're at, ladies and gents. Okay, layers. Okay, layers. Wow. If that don't, excuse me, the ghetto background, don't look like somebody knew what the heck they was doing when they cut this thing. Look at those layers. So it's 26 inches on the packages, but it's literally down to my butt. Let's toss and turn it and play it around. Wow, look at those layers. That's crazy. And I wanted to cut this wig, but with the layers just flowing like this, obviously I need to do some more tweezing because it's still pretty thick. I think it'll look a little better once I cut the lace off and initiate some baby hairs. So what y'all think? Comment below. Let me know how you feel about it like this. Should I keep it long or should I cut it? Hit that like button if you like it long like this with these layers. Jesus, look at those layers. Let's cut this lace off. Okay, so you can clearly see the lace is lighter than my head, which is what I figured was gonna happen, but I think I'm gonna just do the lace with some of my makeup to make it blend better, and then we shall go from there. Uh-oh. It's tangling when I run my fingers through it, y'all. This is my only thing about leaving it long, is that it tangles. And then the ends get, these ones haven't really started doing it yet, but the ends can get like fuzzy and stiff and frayed like that, but that's just synthetic hair altogether. Well, I am vibing with the length. However, the practicality of 26 inches of lace is non-existent. So, to reduce my stress level, I'm cutting it. Honestly, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel challenged. I'm literally being challenged right now. I feel disrespected because the only thing I keep thinking as I'm trying to work on this wig is about A1's mom from Love and Hip Hop. No shade, but shade. It's like, sis, I'm lost here. Okay, so I'm gonna come back to you guys when I have my life together. Okay, ladies and gents, conquerors. This ring light is making the hair look a lot shinier than it is. It's not that shiny, but this is my final result. Cut a good bit of the hair off, cut some baby hairs in, plucked apart a little bit more, and this is what I was left with. Am I happy with it? Yes, sis. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. It looks, obviously it doesn't look natural because nobody has hair this naturally red, but I'm extremely happy with how it turned out because now it looks like more of a lace wig look, like a lace frontal wig or something. It looks a lot more put together. I'm feeling myself in this wig. I'm feeling myself now that I have makeup on with this wig and my lashes are popping. Oh, my highlights popping. Wow. By the way, these lashes are coming soon. January 1st of 2019, New Year's Day, these lashes will be out and these lashes will be released. If you want to see more about these lashes, where they came from, who they belong to. Ha, just kidding. Stay tuned. More information on these lashes coming soon. And also, wow, I'm really vibing with this mustard and ketchup moment. And yes, I'm going to be wearing those shoes right there in the background. These are like my new favorite shoes. I bought so many more shoes as of lately because I told myself I was going to build up my sneaker collection for fall and winter, and this, I actually didn't buy these for myself. This was a gift from Diamond and I love them. As you can see, the wig still maintained a lot of body that it had at its original 26-inch length, which is something I was worried about. I didn't want the wig to come out extremely flat because I have enough blunt cut wigs. I don't want everything to be completely blunt cut all the time. This bright red color is a statement color. It's perfect for any season in my opinion. It looks fairly natural after plucking. Now I will say, okay, do I suggest picking up this wig from Amazon for less than $40? Yes, under these conditions. If you are experienced with wig wearing and you know how to pluck your parts, pluck your frontals, you know what you're doing and you know how to take your time in doing that and you know how to perfect it for your own head shape, I definitely suggest getting this wig. It's cheaper and more affordable than a virgin hair option. Obviously, because it's synthetic, it's very full, it's very bouncy, it has a lot of body to it, and it comes in a 26-inch length for less than $40. So if you want to wear all the length of it, go ahead and get it. If you don't want to wear all the length, it's still a great buy. Just cut the length like I did to whatever length you want. Honestly, I could go shorter if I really wanted to. So would I suggest it for any first-time wig buyer? If you want to wear this wig for your Halloween costume, yeah, go ahead if you don't have that much experience with wigs. But if you're just starting off and you want to add a little color, it is a great option for you, but also beware of what you may be getting yourself into, because like I said, I had to do a lot of plucking with the part and it takes a lot of time to perfect that. You know, I had to go back and forth over the course of like 3 days because obviously I have school and work and everything else that I work on outside of all that stuff. So that being said, know what you're getting yourself into when you purchase this wig. But is it a great buy? Is it a quality wig? Most definitely. My scalp is still able to breathe through the back of the wig because it's not completely enclosed and it's not full lace. But I'm still able to have that somewhat natural of a hairline, even though it is a bright red wig, you know what I'm saying? This wig really has me feeling like if Ronald McDonald had like a cute auntie, that would be me. This is the company, like I said, Kalis Wigs. They are available on Amazon. This wig is less than $40 for purchase and it is available now. I will put the link for this exact wig in the description box below. Make sure you like this video before you head on out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right over there next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video here on the Conquering Asia YouTube channel. And make sure you like that video and drop down below in the comments if you guys want to see more wig videos coming, because I definitely have some on the way. I haven't really been wearing wigs that much often lately because it's been hot outside. Now that it's starting to finally cool down here in Indianapolis, my head's getting cold wearing my natural hair all the time, so the wigs are coming back out. And this one's extremely comfortable, so this one's definitely going to get worn quite a bit. I'm probably going to wear this to the club and like embrace a little bit of an alter ego. The great thing about wearing wigs to the club is that you can wear a different one every time you go to the club and scam the same dude several times out of free drinks and free food. I'm telling you. Does it work? Absolutely. Are men dumb? Most definitely. Thank you again for watching my video. Make sure you click that subscribe button before you head on out and join the Conquering family. You're already a conqueror. You might as well join, right? All right, I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.